In this video, I'm going to teach you how to register your trading account, verify it, make a deposit, and actually start trading. Step 1. Go to dinowealth.com and click on Register your Forex account for free, or simply click the first link in the description of this video. After the RoboForex page opens, scroll down and click on Open an Account. Here, you're creating your RoboForex account by entering your email, first name, last name, and phone number. Then, check the box, I have a partner's code, and enter the code, ZBDU, to join our trading sessions for free. Check I agree, and click on Register. Now click on the menu icon in the top left corner, go to Accounts, and press on Real Account. For the trading platform, leave it as MetaTrader 4. For account type, select MT4 Pro and leave it as is. Choose your preferred currency and select the leverage you want to trade with. We recommend starting with 1-200 leverage. Next, choose a strong password and enter it. In the partner's agent ID, enter ZBDU again and click Apply. Below that, enter your city, address, and postal code. Then click on Confirm. Congratulations! You've successfully registered your Forex trading account. Here are your account number and account password. You'll need these to log in to MetaTrader 4 and start trading. Now, if you don't already have it, download MetaTrader 4 on your phone. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for MetaTrader 4, and download it. Once it's installed, open the app and click on Log in to an existing account. In the search bar, type RoboForex Pro 5 and select that server. Enter your account number in the login field and your account password in the password field. Then press Sign In. You are now successfully logged into your Forex trading account on MetaTrader 4. Next, you need to verify your account to start trading. Go back to the RoboForex website in your browser. Click again on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Profile, then tap on Verification. Here, you'll need to complete 3 steps. Verify your email, verify your identity using an ID or passport, and verify your address by uploading a document not older than 6 months. Make sure your full name, residential address, and issue date are clearly visible. Once you've completed verification, you're ready to make your first deposit. Click again on the top left menu and go to Accounts. Click Deposit on the account you just created. You'll see multiple payment options such as Visa, MasterCard, cryptocurrency, and more. Choose your preferred method, enter the currency and amount, then click Continue to proceed. Congratulations! You just made your first Forex deposit, trader. Now, when you open your MetaTrader 4 app, you'll be able to see your available funds for trading. Now, let's learn how to open a trade. Open your MetaTrader 4 application. At the top, you'll see various trading pairs and their current prices. Click on a pair. For example, let's select XAUUSD, gold versus US dollar. A pop-up menu will appear, giving you options to open the chart for that pair. To open a trade, click on New Order on Android or Trade on iOS. Here, you will enter the lot size, your stop loss, your take profit, and then choose whether to press buy or sell depending on your strategy. Our team is trading every day, and we share our trades for free with our members. So yes, you can copy our trades directly to your account and grow with us. Here's an example. Let's say we posted this trade in our Telegram channel. The trading pair is XAUUSD. Direction is sell, and the stop loss and take profit prices are included. All you need to do is copy and paste those values into your MetaTrader. Click on XAUUSD in your MetaTrader app, then select New Order on Android or Trade on iOS. Enter the stop loss and take profit values we shared, then press Sell. That's it. You just opened a trade. Join our Telegram channel to see our daily trades and message us to become a member. Have a great and profitable day, trader.